Welcome to my video. I'm Justine and I'm a makeup artist and hairstylist of over 16 years experience. Here on my channel, you'll find makeup and hair tips that I'm giving away for free. So if you like the sound of that, hit like, subscribe so you can find out more. All right, step one, let's talk about prepping the skin. Dry skin is like a magnet for uneven foundation. Even if my clients have moisturized before sitting in my chair, I always apply a little extra hydration, either a moisturizer or a hydration spray, or both. Why? Because hydrated skin adds a natural glow and suppleness that makes the foundation lay beautifully. Without this step, foundation will cling to dry areas and look patchy. Trust me, prepping is key. Optional step 2, Underglow. For extra dimension, apply an iridescent product over your foundation. A liquid highlighter or dewy primer on your cheekbones, nose, and cupid's bow can give you a lovely glow that shines through your foundation, making your skin look naturally radiant. Now here's something a little controversial. I don't use primer on most people. Yep, I said it. Unless you have really oily skin that needs some extra help controlling shine, a good moisturizer is usually all you need. Next is choosing the right foundation for your skin type. That's a whole video on its own, but here is the gist. Pick one that suits your needs. Oily skin? Go for something that controls oil. Dry skin? Pick something hydrating. Don't hesitate to ask for help in store, and when choosing a color, try to get a sample to test on your whole face before committing. Don't go too heavy with the foundation. Start light and build up. Dab the foundation in the areas you need the most coverage, usually the T-zone or over any redness or blemishes, and then continue to blend outwards towards the hairline with the residue of the brush. This will help stop the buildup of product going into your hairline. Dabbing will give you an airbrushed effect while keeping the coverage where you need it the most. If you would like more coverage, add another pump and apply a thin layer of foundation over the top. Now let's talk about tools. You want a brush that works for you, something fluffy to assist with blending, but with a little density so it's not too soft. Recently, my go-to brush has been my Bare Minerals Precision Face Brush. It blends effortlessly but still gives you control. And remember, less is more when it comes to applying foundation, so don't overload your brush with product. In this section, you can see that I'm just applying the residue from my brush on my eyelids and down my neck, just to blend and make it look a little bit more even. If you have spots or discoloration, try layering a little more foundation on those areas before reaching for concealer. You'd be surprised how often foundation alone can do the trick. But if it's not enough and you just want an extra coverage, I like using this Tarte concealer. I find that it's the best for not moving, and I've tried a lot of concealers out there, so they've done a really good job. The sponge that I'm using is a teeny tiny beauty blender, and I find that it's really great if you want to press and smooth the foundation around areas like your eyes or your nose. It's really a game changer for refining the finish. Now let's talk about setting your foundation. Here I have the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder and the MAC Studio Fix Powder. I'm setting with the translucent for a barely there coverage on this side to remove excess shine and mattify parts of my face. I don't always use a powder. If your skin is overly dry, I tend to leave it out. When I use the Studio Fix, it's more to add extra warmth or coverage. This product can also be used on its own as a foundation. Can you see the difference of the two on each side of my face? After this step, you're ready to add anything else to finish your makeup look. I would normally go for a cream blush, eyebrows, mascara, and a little lipstick or gloss. And there you have it. Now you know in a few simple steps to get the flawless, natural foundation look that lasts all day. Remember, it's all about working with your skin type, using the right tools, and applying less product for a more natural finish. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and let me know in the comments what makeup tips you'd like to see next. And remember, whether it's for a big event or just your everyday makeup routine, makeup should always make you feel confident and beautiful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.